The overall goal of this video analysis technique is to more accurately estimate density, mean length, and species composition of fish in deep rocky habitats.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of fisheries management, such as what is the abundance and size distribution of species inhabiting deep water rocky reefs.
The main advantage of this technique is that it provides more accurate density estimates without extracting fish from the environment.
In advance of this procedure, collect field data as outlined in the text protocol.
In stereophotogrammetry, knowing the exact relative position of the cameras is important for accurate measurements. Proper calibration is an important step in this process.
After the field study is complete, create a new project folder containing both the video and calibration files. In the stereo measurement software, navigate to Measurement, New Measurement File. Set the picture directory by navigating to Picture, Set Picture Directory, and then choose the folder containing all of the project files. Navigate to Stereo, Cameras, Left, then Load Camera File to select and load the appropriate left camera file. Repeat this process, choosing Right instead, to load the right camera file. Next, navigate to Picture, define Movie Sequence. Select the left camera video file to define the movie sequence for the left video. Click Picture, Load.